September 11, 2001, was a day of unimaginable terror and unshakable courage. In the face of devastation, humanity's strength and resilience shined through. The Heroism and Resiliency of 9/11 features the inspiring true stories of courage, unity, and the perseverance that emerged from one of the darkest days in American history. Through the eyes of first responders, survivors, and ordinary citizens who became extraordinary heroes, this documentary honors the selflessness and bravery that defined a generation. Andy Card, Chief of Staff to President George W. Bush, was by the president's side, offering a first-hand account of leadership under pressure. At the Federal Reserve, Vice Chairman Roger Ferguson took swift action to stabilize the financial system, averting what could have been economic catastrophe. With Lower Manhattan cut off, over 500,000 people were evacuated by boat in the largest maritime rescue in history. At the Pentagon, Flight 77 struck the heart of U.S. defense. Amid the chaos, heroes emerged, rushing into danger to save others. Passengers aboard Flight 93 fought back against the terrorists and prevented the plane from reaching its target, saving countless lives on the ground. The film features these stories and more through real-life accounts, archival footage, and dramatized reenactments. The Heroism and Resiliency of 9/11 is not just a tribute to those we lost, but a celebration of the indomitable spirit that rose from the ashes, showcasing the resilience of those who rebuilt their lives and transformed grief into advocacy. It is a story of hope, proving that even in tragedy, inspiration can be found in the courage and compassion of everyday people.